welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be playing Cabin Crew. So I'm gonna go to day 10 because I got to go there. And the flight in front of me is not my flight. The one right there. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go on my plane, which is right there. And you can probably tell which one it is by right there. It's Delta. Start economy boarding. Okay. Peanuts right there. Pepsi right there. Cups right there. Coffee up here. Okay, can you buckle your seatbelt? Hey, don't say okay, whatever, to me.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
10 storage table. Buckle seatbelt. Okay. Close, 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 close. Close the cockpit door. Close that. I always skip the taxis because they're too long for me.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Here's Delta. And after we're done taking off, that's going to be the end of my video. I know it's a short video, but remember to like and subscribe, though, if you haven't already. And go see part 2 of this. Okay, bye guys.